Hey, welcome to Iraq. We have just arrived here in Baghdad. We're about to go and get our visa and head into the city for the first time and see what's going on. Hey, here we go, the bags are here. I thought they'd be gone. We were waiting that long to get the visa sorted out, but they're here waiting for us. So everyone, we'll head out now. I think we've got a bit of a miserable journey ahead of us into Baghdad. I'll tell you more when we get out of here. Right everyone, we have been saved by our mate Ayad. We literally came out, and then when you get out of the airport you've got all the taxi ranks and they charge $40 to get into Baghdad city, which is quite steep. So we're walking up and down like absolutely lost, and Ayad said, I can take you around the corner to a square where we can then get another taxi into the city, which is really nice. That's what we're doing now.
Welcome Baghdad.
Cheers mate. Hey, check his sunglasses out, looking sharp. Looking good in the sunglasses.
Sorry?
You're looking good in the sunglasses.
Thank you.
So yeah, we've been saved. Here we are.
It's a bit hot.
It is hot, isn't it?
It's not too bad though.
Not too hot.
But it's dry heat.
Yeah, it's not sticky.
Yeah.
In Sri Lanka, you like sticky and like.
It's not sticky.
It's better. It's like dry heat. So yeah, we'll see you when we get somewhere else. There they go. The bag's in. Okay, here we go. Look at these.
حتى صورة طقويات.
Thank you.
Arriving into Baghdad in style.
55
هذا بالعكس انا اذا قلبي الاصلي يتعب اخليه.
Yes. No, that's not mine. Police. Legends. Okay, thank you. Cheers. Shukran. Thank you very much.
على الله.
عندنا دقيقة قدام.
I'll get in the front. Okay.
So,
Thank you very much.
see you. If you need any help, just call me. Yeah.
Cheers, mate. Thank you so much. Lifesavers. Okay.
Okay. Inshallah.
Inshallah. Goodbye.
بعدين انا اللي طلبت تمام 10000 دينار مصاريف كرة اوكي بقى انا حدد لك الموقع بس مو كلش بالضبط يعني هم بس شويه وياهم الى الان حتى توصل للموقع
هو شلون يندل هسه ولا انت تقول
هو يندل بقى عنده موقع عندهم موقع اي نفس الموقع اللي انا طالبه باوع هو شكو اكو بيت كبير مسوي مثل الهوتيل فندق تمام هو يم هذا الفندق هاي واذا كلش
اسمه شو اسمه
الموقع لوكيشن اي بقى هاي لوكيشن
لوكيشن
اي اوكي هو قبل يمهم تمام
اوكي
ممنون واي شيء يصير تليفوني يمه خبرني
Okay, cheers, mate. Flipping legend. It's good not have asked for a better arrival into Baghdad. What's this? Seatbelt. Oh, bloody hell. We've got about rules here in Iraq. So, I'll tell you the story when we get to where we're going. How much, sir?
Okay, good. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Shukran. Right, everyone. We're here. Let's get the bags out. We're in flipping Baghdad, Iraq. How about that? Feels good. Interesting drive into the city. So what we'll do is check into our little place, then I'll give you a little bit of a story time. See you later, mate. Hey, nice guy our driver, really nice guy. Took us to exchange some money on the way because here in Iraq things run off the black market. So we had to source some dollars in Sri Lanka to change here because you get a miles better rate, you end up getting a lot more money. So yeah, that's good. Hey, look at this. Right everyone, now we're all settled in. Let's have a little story time, eh? You'll have to forgive me, I've had no sleep whatsoever. We had a 5 AM flight, so I could not be bothered booking an hotel last night. We just sat in the aircon in the airport. But here we are, Baghdad, Iraq. Super grateful to Ayad and the lads for giving us a lift. They literally saved us. In Baghdad airport, the taxis are pretty much mafiaed. You're talking 40 to 50k to get into the city, which is a lot of money. So they just saw us looking clueless, offered us a ride round the corner, where they then called us a local taxi, which only cost us 10k. So yeah, very funny lads, top lads, cheers for that. Here we are. So, I'll show you where we're staying, in this nice little residential area, and then later on, we'll head out into Baghdad, get some food, our first taste of Iraqi food, people, whatnot. So far everyone's been nice, literally. It's been a very good start. Let's show you where we're staying here in Baghdad then, yeah? Here we go. Flipping idiots. Right, here we are. The gaff. Now let me tell you, Iraq is not cheap. Baghdad is not cheap. So this place costs us $30 a night. It's actually $15 a person. In Iraq they do everything by person. So here we go, it's super simple, just 2 beds. I mean, we don't really need anything more, do we? What else do we have? We've got this crazy cooling system, which I've never seen before, but I like. Instead of an aircon, we've got this. Look at this, who's in there? Hello, anybody in? There's nobody in. Then we've got a bathroom. We've got a western toilet. We've got a nice big shower. Hey, walls are nice. And then we've got a squat toilet. Inclusive bathroom for you all. So that is pretty much it. Simple as you like. I don't think you'll get much cheaper here in Baghdad. So here we are. Right everyone, after we just crashed out all afternoon, we have headed out for some food. We've come to a little humble spot. They've got a grill. We've got some grilled meat. Look at that, that's fresh. That looks really good. We might get some of these. Some little seat kebabs, they look good. Oh, and the charcoal grilled tomatoes and onions. We don't know what to get. They've got like a window full of different soups. We've got rice, different rices. I don't know. We're still really tired and feeling awful, but I think we should get a couple of kebabs.
Yes,
Some of that salad over there, which looks fantastic. Some rice.
Yes, let's do it. Okay, we're ready.
Ready, I think.
Now, eat 2 kebab, okay?
Yeah, two beef kebab. Yeah. No, just 2 to share.
Just 2.
Yeah, and then also can we get rice and can we get
This one?
which is best? This one looks good. Soup, yeah. Okay. I don't know, but you recommend whatever you say. We'll say bamia is traditional Iraqi. Don't know what anything else. Okra.
This.
Oh, okay. A little okra soup.
Wait.
Got the old lady fingers.
Also here.
Beans. Got like a bean soup.
Beans,
Okay.
okra.
What is this?
Soup.
Soup.
This is soup. Only soup.
Okay, soup.
This?
So this is like a dal.
Sounds good.
Dal, beans,
Yeah.
okra, soup.
Soup looks good. What do you think? Or okra for a change?
Should we get okra?
Okra.
Yeah, let's get that one.
Okra one.
Yeah.
Best.
And rice?
And rice one.
Yeah.
Rice one. Okra one.
Yeah, and then salad.
And the salad.
Yes.
And the 2 kebab. 2 kebab.
Yeah, 2 beef kebab, yeah, please.
Salam, shishan kebab.
So if you look over here, everyone, this salad bar looks beautiful, doesn't it? The salad looks very good.
This one sold 1,000 and this 3,000.
Well, what should we get? Should we get a small one? Just fill it and mix like everything.
Okay, no problem.
See, all this isn't food. It's literally the first meal we've eaten in Iraq, so we have no idea what we're doing.
Is this mint? Writer.
Like mint yogurt.
I'll have this one.
We'll just have it, yeah.
Pomegranates in. And we've got
We don't know anything, but if you look, all of it looks good. Literally, yeah, look at all the pomegranate seeds.
let's get that and that and that.
You do the salad wizardry lead.
Oh, that
Hey,
looks
look
good.
at that, getting a fresh glass of lemon in there, right? So, our mate also brought us over a couple of grape juices. Look at the colour of that. Have you tried it, Leash?
No, I haven't. I think that.
Should we try some?
Yeah, cheers.
Hey, fly, get off my cup. Cheers. Well, I like that. You heard the cheers, didn't it?
Cheers.
That's really good, it's sweet. Hey, that's fantastic. Nice and cold. Salad looks good. I'm going to fall asleep at this table. I'm going to Eating my kebab, I'm gonna cackle off.
You're being excited for your first meal.
Oh wow, cheers.
So much food.
Oh wow. Shukran. Bloody hell.
Snacks in them.
So, I actually thought we ordered hardly any food, and it turns out we've got quite a bit. How did this happen? So, we've got soup. I don't know what's in this, he just said soup. More bread. Oh wow. Hey.
You need anything?
Oh, that is perfect, thank you. Then we've got this okra soup. We've got a spoon so I can show you what's in there. Got those little plastic spoons on the table. He said this is okra soup. Hey, that looks quite good actually. It's got cut up okra running through it. Can you see? The lady's fingers. Then we got a plate full of lemon. What's that?
It's like a pickle. Thank you.
Tomato, onion, fresh. Then we've got the kebabs under here. These two beauties. We load of salad, loads of bread, and some charcoal grilled tomato and onion. Look at that. And then we've got the plate of rice. It's a special red rice. What's in there? Mystery goods.
Smells like tomato rice.
And then a salad, which I don't know what it is. But yeah, it looks good. Well, here we go. First meal in Iraq. Let's see how it is.
This is no beef.
Sheep.
This is sheep meat.
Lamb. Oh, that is okay. That's good,
No
yeah.
beef.
No beef. Okay, it turns out we've ordered lamb kebab. Big surprise. What do we do first? Gonna have to try the kebab, I think, 'cause it's come straight off the grill. Even the bread's hot. So yeah, let's break some of this meat off. Lamb. There we go, look at that. Let's hit it with some lemon. That sounds good, doesn't it? A little bit of lemon. There we go, cheers. Very good. Lamb is heavy though. It's like one of the heaviest meats out there, isn't it? Could only eat a couple of them. And then I'd be a bit overwhelmed. It's got that sheepy taste on it, you know what I mean? Good though, fatty.
So we've got this soup that is okra. It looks like tomato soup, to be honest. Let's try it. Get a bit of everything. Ooh.
There's big chunks of cut up okra in there.
It's red hot as well, so I feel like it's just going to burn my mouth. I have to do it separately. Oh, it's delicious. Like a proper rich tomato soup.
Really? Let's get a dip on.
Yummy, yummy.
Bread and soup, eh? The unbeatable combo. There you go. Hearty tomato soup. What's that?
It's a baby slug. From
You
this
just got a
salad.
baby slug?
Yeah. That nearly went in my mouth. I nearly licked it off my finger.
From a salad? Oh gosh.
Just like that.
Tell you what we'll try. We'll go for something like, we'll try a little salad. I don't know what else is under there. What is it? It's like yogurt. Filled with pomegranate seeds. Let's get some of that. We're new to Iraq. We've got lots to learn over the next few weeks. So cheers. Oh, I like that. Yogurt itself is a little sweet. Almost got a little fruity taste to it. And then you've got those crunchy little pommy seeds. That's quite good, that. It's very fresh, like, it's exactly what you need after eating this fatty, heavy, meaty lamb. What's that for a bite?
Sour. It's almost sour, that. It's really heavy.
Heavy, yeah.
Really heavy.
Plate of rice. What are we doing here? It's all gone tits up. I can't believe it. I thought we had no food. I mean, it's just simple tomato with rice. It's just a cheap filling meal, isn't it? I say cheap, I don't know how much it is. We'll find out. But yeah, I like all the freshness. I like the onion. He's given us a full onion. And I like this, look, it's been absolutely cremated. That is what you want. Right. Cheers. Oh, that's fantastic. Grape juice, I do like it. Some people don't like it. Leisha ain't the biggest fan of grape usually. I think grape juice is good when it tastes natural. Do you know what I mean? Like some like shitty companies make grape juice, it's just full of like art. It tastes like pure artificial nastiness. But when it tastes natural, it's good. 12k that ran us. Okay. Cheers, sir. Thank you very much. Shukran.
Do you need anything?
No, don't worry. Oh, I tell you what. Please come and use your internet. We don't use SIM cards half the time, do we? So this is what we do. We spend our time asking if someone has a Wi-Fi. Or we just have a chat with someone asking if we can use the hotspot, and pretty much anywhere in the world it works, it's fine. People are nice everywhere, so that's what we're doing. Get ourselves a taxi up. I mean, in other countries you don't need to use a taxi app actually, but here in Baghdad it's not the friendliest place to just jump in a taxi. There's literally none. So okay, shukran, thank you, see you later. Right, so we just paid 7k. Did we? We just paid 12k, see what I mean? I'm absolutely off my shorts. We paid 12k for everything. And it was a lot of food, too much. This is our taxi, right? So yeah, you don't need to spend that much money.